Hi guys, just glad to see you back on my binary options channel, still binary options and still YouTube channel of me as a trader. And let's get it started without without any beginners today because I'm kind of excited about the trading that we can have today. I feel the market is about to be okay for us. So we are back for our charts, our lovely charts, and I'm still in love with the graph analysis and all the tools that we can use. And thank you for leaving all the positive comments, and I'm just getting into it. Let's just get straight to the first transaction here. And the chart is actually at the extreme top point and it hasn't been overcome like 3 times already. So I am predicting that it's not gonna be overcome either this time. So we made a bet for a down, small first one, but we made it. I just added the horizontal line and trend line, and yep, this is just the first victory for the day, and it feels just right. Okay, I am making it bigger and making bet for it down now 300, and also just using the trend line to show you on the same chart that the movement is just will continue. So we haven't reached our goals yet and the chart is steadily moving down, so we are with no hesitation just made our bet. So the second victory in a row, and I'm happy. I was right, but I'm in the mood just to switch to the new chart and to try new tools, new strategies. Here you may see also the bet for it down with the higher stake. And actually the situation is quite obvious. The chart just failed to cross the resistance level, so you may check it again, make a stop, and then just check yourself. And I'm helping you with these tools and stuff, but maybe you may see it without any. So let's see. So the first grand just in our pocket, and we better go to multiply it. So we made another bet. We made it for an up because the last candles actually are hinting at the reversal trend. So I'm gonna again draw a couple of lines and arcs for you, and you can perfectly see all that I see. If it's a bit odd or if you are tired of these arcs and tools and schemes, just tell me. I'm gonna stop because maybe you are too experienced for that, maybe it's too obvious here. I have no problem to stop. And okay, we are here just about to see the result. Another round, and we just double our bank. Here another bet, another 1,000, and we are waiting for, after this fall, we are just waiting for the upward movement. So we just fall for a 5 sec a little bit. Here is the parallel channel to show you what I see here, and let's wait how it's gonna be. We are seeing it, but it's quite obvious. Let's wait. And a victory here, but it seems like it's too early just to leave this chart. I'm gonna make another bet and stay here, and we may see again and again it's just going up, and the arc will help us to see what's happened. The perfect, the correct, the nice arc will show. And another victory. Yep, as we predicted, this nice tool, this nice arc just helped us to get our profit and to have 3,000 already. And I'm just gonna I'm kind of like this chart. I'm gonna stay here maybe forever. And actually, we are just predicting the rebound here. Again, the horizontal line, the arc, and we made a bet for a down again. And I think you're smart enough to see it now. And you will perfectly understand why and what and how. So we just wait. So the predicted victory. I am actually happy, but too attentive sometimes to show you how happy I am, and I feel like changing the pairs. Okay, what do we see here? Yeah, we are just expecting this movement to be down, and we shouldn't miss the good moment here, shouldn't miss the bad, shouldn't miss the time that we can actually earn some money. Because the chart is already, you may see here, at its highest point, the horizontal line will show you that the movement are supposed to be down, and the expectation seems just to be correct. And here you may see that I added the horizontal line, and we got our victory in our pocket again, and I'm happy to announce that. Okay, let's wait just a little bit after, for all this fluctuation of the chart down, and here we can, okay, let's see what's gonna be. Yeah, we can safely, I made it already, enter the deal here because the chart is actually at historical minimum, and we are expecting that it's not gonna get for long. So the trend line for you and patience for me. So the magic of the analytics just gave me another victory. And it seems like enough for today because I have like a $5,000 on my bank, and just sometimes you need to stop in the right time, especially when you feel too confident. It's sometimes a bit tricky. So for today, that was the last victory. So it felt right and it went right, and just happy that all the analytics can actually work for you. Sometimes after a while, after you practice, you win, you lose, after you try all attempts that you had. And I'm still inviting you to my Telegram channel, to my Instagram. I'm trying to post something over there also. You can find all links in bio. You can find me in my Telegram channel where I post all the signals for the tradings, where I have all the feedback that you give me. And I have a VIP group where I have more signals and more feedback from all of you who are into it. You just can text me and ask me how to join, and I will really just text you back how to make it. So stay tuned, we're gonna get for some more.